See, before I had the nest on top here, so when you watch the video again, you'll see. So I haven't decided if I want this nest. See, I had this nest. I gotta fix my birdies. I had it on here. Not sure if I want it there now. Thinking maybe put the little one. If I put the little one on top here, I want to get. And then we'll put the big one down here. I think that would look better. Okay, I don't want to use. Okay, so we got this glued in. I switched the bird's nest. I got the little one up here and then the 3 down here. So now I got to glue. I had a whole bunch of these glued in here. So I'm going to glue some back in here. I just gotta go through this. I should have sorted all my... Ow, 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 ow. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. I think this little piece is going to stick right here. There we go. That should work. Okay. Okay, so now I think because we got the swing there, I'll go see what we've got for like these little pieces. basically what I'm trying to do is just hide the foam. The foam, and I don't want to put any more moss on it. So if I use up all these little pieces, it would just look like there's grass coming out of the ground, right? Kind of thing. And I got some of these. So we just put them in there like that. There we go. Okay, now for the other side, because this should be okay because I got the, so okay, so I think I'm gonna put another one here, taller one. So this one I'm trying to do it so that it covers the back part, and then, but I don't want it to cover the windows too much, as the last one did. So we'll just do that, right? Okay, so there's the back, right? So now, I think I might put a few of these in, the smaller pieces, but I'm not going to put too much more of that back in. Here we have something like that. Okay, let's see if we can get the umbrella back in here. There we go. So now, I think I'm going to put some of these that kind of come out. Like that. Maybe. So what I'm trying to do is cover. There's a little bit of mesh showing there, so not mesh, sorry, foam. There. I think I'm going to put one more. You'll see, guys, you'll see the difference when you see the other, watch the other video, and then this video, you'll see the difference on how it looks, right? So now, I don't think I need, like, I could put some of these, like here, where it's, some of these got a little bit of blue on, that's from this paint. So originally, we had some of this going all the way around, but we don't really need that there now. But what we could do is we could put another one of these here to kind of hide that. Right, Simba? Simba's having a little nap over there. Simba the creative cat. There. I just want it so that it kind of covers that glue spot that I can't get out. Okay. So over here, we've got a couple more little pieces here we can throw in. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do, guys. See, like this here, I'm gonna take this off because I had the lights on around that, right? I'm gonna take this all off because I don't really want it on there now. Right, Simba? We don't need it on there, right, Simba? Okay, so now I have another one of these. I'm debating if I should put it in here. No, I don't think we need it. I think we're good. There we go. Okay. See what I mean? Okay, this guy here, it broke off, but I need to get glue on here. And then I can put this on. I don't know if it's going to stay because this has to be pulled over top, right? And it should be over here where this flower is. So let's see if I can put a little bit of glue on there and pull this flower. No. But that's okay. I think it'll be fine. So there it is. That's all I'm doing to it. Okay, we are done. We're done this one, so I'll do the video up and then. But that's all we did. Right? I took the little lights off, and then I moved these guys from the roof to there, and then this guy from there to there, and just changed it a little bit. Filled this up so it looks like there's more water going down, more of a waterfall. And the back, I just covered it up so that you didn't see the foam. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna go do the video now.